On the 23rd of July 1952, the Egyptian Revolution began, which led to the overthrow of King Farouk I and the end of British influence in Egypt. Welcome to HistoryPod. The roots of the Egyptian Revolution can be traced back to widespread discontent with the monarchy, fueled by economic instability and social inequalities. Egypt's defeat in the 1948 Arab-Israeli War further discredited King Farouk and heightened nationalist sentiments amongst the Egyptian people. In response, the revolutionary Free Officers movement, formed in the aftermath of this war, sought to restore national dignity. Early on July the 23rd, the Free Officers, led by Mohamed Naguib and Gamal Abdel Nasser, launched their coup. Key military installations and government buildings in Cairo were seized with minimal resistance, and by dawn, the revolutionaries had control of the capital. At around 7 a.m, the Free Officer and future President of Egypt, Anwar El-Sadat, took to the radio to announce the success of the coup and declare that the army had acted to end the corruption and misrule of the monarchy. King Farouk, recognising the futility of resistance, abdicated on July the 26th and went into exile in Italy. Although he was succeeded by his 6-month-old son, Fuad II, real political power now lay with the Revolutionary Command Council led by Naguib. The formal abolition of the monarchy the following year marked the end of the Muhammad Ali dynasty, which had ruled Egypt for over a century. The new regime implemented significant political and social changes, including wide-reaching land reforms, and Nasser soon emerged as the dominant leader. In 1954, he ousted Naguib and became the face of the Egyptian Revolution, serving as president until his death in 1970.